PDP 499. But 409 is not that expensive. But it won't fit on my van. It's gonna be fun playing this. But it's so big. I was there a small one, but they're all big. But the electric fan is smaller, but I think I like this one. Okay, I'll think about friend. For now, I'll just go with the ukulele. That's okay. I'll just go with the ukulele for now, but it looks fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, did she get...
Fun, so, but yeah, I'm telling you, this came in a box, so it wouldn't be that big, so you can take it like...
okay. One of these days.
And then yeah, you would just set it up like once you get over there.
Yeah, I thought this super expensive, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, usually they are, but that one's not too much.
So I'll go get with my ukulele then.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, this one, it will fit, but never mind, some other time.
Alright.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, the sticks. I wanna get a drum. I'm gonna get back to drumming, but my band is so small. It won't fit. Let me get back. I like the sounds.
We don't really buy those things.
This one is definitely big. This is the olden times. I use bigger than this. Okay. How I wish I'm gonna get back to drumming. But definitely this is so big. It will eat the space in my van. Okay, never mind. I'll just stick to my small guitar ukulele then for now. Because I'm still traveling, it's hard to bring this big one. The electric one is okay, but I think they occupy the same space. Never mind. I'll stick to my ukulele for now. Okay, let's go back to the ukulele. I'm gonna upgrade a little bit. Different kind of sounds. Tenor, because usually I work with the soprano kind of. But I'm gonna do the tenor now. It's bigger. Maybe my hands is getting bigger. Okay guys, let's go. Let's pay this. So this is the one I'm gonna get now. New one. 499. This is a Martin type of guitar. Martin. Yeah. I'm gonna practice more as I traveled along, because sometimes it gets boring traveling. So on the road. So I like to play sometimes. Actually, most of the time, if I travel, it's my break. After eating my lunch, then I'm gonna play some, music. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye you. Again, this is San Jose, California Guitar Center. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.